Hello and Namaste. Welcome back to Joint Watch. Are you looking for an upgrade for your best companion of your travel and vlogs, your camera, or maybe you want to capture your travel memories and share them through vlogs? Luckily, you are at the right place. In this video, we have done a quick review of the latest GoPro Hero 9 to help you more. The GoPro Hero 9 Black comes with 5K video capacity and a front-facing display to capture your beautiful moments. The new GoPro Hero 9 Black will release in October 2020 and the estimated price is around $450. And for the newbies out there, if vlogging is something that has interested you these days, we suggest you choose GoPro cameras over the expensive DSLRs and video cameras. Now, first let's know about what is a GoPro camera. A GoPro is a compact camera best for action, sports and travel shooting. Unlike the other cameras, GoPro is small and very portable. It can be attached easily to helmets, motorbikes, scooter visors or any surfaces to help you shoot better videos. And for stable videos, you can always opt for a tripod stand or plain surfaces, which can be stack of books, tables, chairs, flat stands and anything that can give you a stable video. Now here is a quick review of the latest GoPro Hero 9. The design overview. The significant upgrade in the GoPro 9 is the new 23.6 MP sensor and a full color front LCD display. In terms of size, the new GoPro Hero 9 is 10% bigger than the GoPro Hero 8. It comes with a battery of 1720 mAh and comparatively provides 30% more battery life. It weighs around 158 grams. The front screen is 1.4 inches and the rear screen is 2.27 inches. Features and tools. The new features include Hyper Smooth 3.0 and Time Wrap 3.0. The new power tools in the GoPro 9 are schedule, capture, duration and hindsight. You can capture stills at 20 megapixels, which is quite a good quality. The GoPro 9 supports a new max lens mode, which is best for a super wide 155-degree field view. It can capture up to 240 frames per second, which can shoot an astonishing 8x slow motion video. To make your videos more fun, it can record mesmerizing time-lapse videos with Time Warp 3.0. You can go all out or tap speed ramp to slow the action while recording. A handy addition for the vlogger. The Hero 9 Black is the designful upgrade of the GoPro's flagship action cameras since the Hero 5 Black. The new full LCD 1.4-inch front display is a change that is definitely a handy new addition for vlogging. Thankfully, it does provide a live video preview of your scene so that you can choose the best shoot. The screen also comes with some useful shooting information for the users. And now, GoPro Hero 9 and its availability in Nepal. GoPro Hero 9 is a predecessor of the GoPro Hero 8. And from that view, we can expect its launch somewhere between October to November at this year at a price rate of around 65,000 Nepalese rupees. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Joint Watch. See you next time.